Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel, guys. If you have a Chevy Cruze now and you guys have code P2135 and you're guys trying to figure out what is causing that code, sometimes you may experiencing that code, guys, in cold weather, then reset engine light, then everything's perfectly fine for 5-10 minutes, maybe 1 hour, and then the code comes back, or next morning when it gets cold it comes back. We'll explain, guys, what causes that code 2135. I've noticed that many people are experiencing that problem, and we're going to share how we fix that code, guys, when we have it on Chevy Cruze. Quick introduction: we will have more than 200 videos, guys, on Chevy Cruze and more than 200 videos on every car we get to the shop. This is, guys, because our mission is to save you as much money as we can. So please, guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video. Doesn't matter if you have the 1.4, 1.6 or 1.8 engine, the procedure should be the same, guys. We have a 2015 Chevy Cruze and I'm going to demonstrate on this one, okay, what to do. If you guys need to buy any tools, parts, check out the link, okay, it's there in the description of the video below. So when you open the hood, guys, we have a 1.8, but even if you have the 1.4 engine, the procedure will be the same. You need to, guys, locate your air filter box. Once you locate your air filter box, you need to follow your intake hose. This is your intake hose, and it goes, okay, to the throttle body, which is attached to the intake manifold. Now the throttle body, guys, okay, is what is causing our problem now. The throttle body on Chevy Cruze is quite complicated, guys. You have one connector right here that you need to make sure that everything's connected, plug it in, remove it, disconnect it, it's down there, and see if that takes care of the problem. If not, guys, okay, try cleaning your throttle body. But I'm pretty sure, guys, 95% of the time you will have to replace your throttle body with a new one. So you have to remove it and replace it, but it's part of the cooling system and you will need to drain your coolant. If you want to see how to remove and replace the throttle body, the video is on the channel, guys. From start to finish it explains everything, so please check it out, it's there for your convenience. If you need to buy a throttle body, okay, the link will be shared in the description of the video below so you can see how to fix that. Today is just a quick video for any of you guys looking for that information and having that problem, so you know what to do. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Please, guys, subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.